Want to know my experience habang ginagamit ko ang Bareface Sunkiss Illuminating Sunscreen? Hi guys! I am Doc Kate, a young medical professional who loves to eat and travel. We all know na sobrang init talaga ngayon, kaya naman we need protection like sunscreen to protect our skin's appearance and health at any age. What I love about Sunkiss Illuminating Sunscreen is that it is wet resistant, kaya pwede po siyang pang makeup base. Kaya naman, as a naturopathic doctor, natutuwa din po ako sa mga ingredients ng Sunkiss Illuminating Sunscreen. Dahil ito po ay paraben-free at merong skin-loving ingredients katulad ng green tea, licorice extract, aloe vera, hydrolyzed collagen, and vitamin E. Kapag pinagsama po kasi ang green tea and licorice extract, ito po ay mayroong calming effects, kaya naman perfect ito sa may mga sensitive and reactive skin. Samahan pa natin na ang green tea ay may antioxidant properties na nakakatulong para i-prevent at ma-protect ang ating skin laban sa environmental damage. Ang hydrolyzed collagen po ay sobrang halaga din sa ating skin dahil nakakatulong yan for our skin hydration and elasticity. At pagdating naman sa vitamin E, ito po ay mayroong anti-inflammatory effects sa ating skin. What I also love about Sunkiss Bareface Illuminating Sunscreen is that 2 beses na po itong na-test sa laboratory. May bonus pa because it is very affordable at SPF 50 plus na po ito. Kaya perfect sa mga student or nag-work anywhere, lalo na kapag madalas tayong lumalabas. Prevention is always better than cure. Stay healthy po!